What's happening, sports fans? Welcome back to another episode with Mom and Papa Joe. A very simple, short cook today. How about some Adana style lamb kebabs? Let's check this out. You remember a couple of months ago I did a lamb stew video. I deboned a leg of lamb, and this is the leftover, about 2 pounds of it. Not a whole lot of fat, pretty lean, some silver skin. What I've got here is some soft brisket fat trimmings that I'm going to mix in to give me the necessary fat for this recipe. So 2 pounds of lamb meat and about a pound of brisket trimmings. We're going to get this ground up. We're going to be grounding this using the medium-sized die. I want a fairly fine grind, but not too fine. I think this will get it done right here. All right, folks, all the measurements I'm using are going to be in the description. What I've got here is a medium yellow onion that I finely grated. Not finely, but medium grated. And I squeezed out about half of the liquid. About a 1/4 cup of finely diced red bell pepper. About 4 cloves of finely minced garlic. About 3 teaspoons of sumac. And again, sumac is that delicious citrusy flavored herb that goes great with our lamb. I've got a number of things in here. Some paprika, some salt, some flat iron, crushed red pepper. We're just going to spread that out. And a nice pinch of some parsley. And of course, we want to mix this well. You want to mix well without over mixing. And you're going to mix this until it starts to get a little sticky, a little gluey. You see that stuck together? Can't break it apart. So what I'm going to do is just put this in the fridge for a couple of minutes while we make on the side an onion salad to go with this. All right, for this onion salad, we've got 1 large red onion. I'm going to come in here with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Nice pinch of parsley. 1½ Roma tomatoes. 1½ teaspoons of sumac and about ½ teaspoon of kosher salt. I'm going to squeeze in maybe a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. And we want to mix well. It's always nice to make this a couple hours before. All right, we're going to do a little cleanup and get to skewering. All right, folks, so we separated this out, and this is what we're going to go with today. It's just Mom and I. We should be able to make at least 4 out of this portion into decent size balls. We don't want too large. All right, that should do us right there. And I've got just a little bit of ghee right here, clarified butter. Just going to give this a quick brushing. Add a little more richness on the grill. So we're going to go outside and get that Weber cranked up. All right, our cowboy hardwood briquettes are nice and hot. I've got this grate, this extension grate there to give me a little more room from the fire and also to support these skewers in case this meat wants to fall apart. But we're probably looking at 6-7 minutes per side, and we'll rotate these as necessary. We're going to be getting some flare up because these have got lots of good fat in them, but that's not an issue. That was about 6 minutes. All right, we're getting some nice color. We definitely don't want to overcook these. I'm being gentle just in case things want to fall apart, but they're hanging on there. We added some sweet baby peppers. Get a nice toasting of those. And they're going to go great with these kebabs. Ooh, there we go. Remember, we got this side of the grate, and if things want to go crazy, we can always pull this way. I've got my wool gloves under here, so not a problem. We're not going to let this scare us. We're high enough away. We're just getting that nice rendering of fat, which is going to flavor these. All right, these are a good minute away. We're just going to come in with some flatbread. Warm that up, check our peppers. All right, folks, let's get them off of here. Oh, yeah. Let's just do a little clean up. That is pretty nice. Let's give one of these a taste. It's like a little flatbread taco. That is definitely tasty, man. A flatbread taco. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty simple, man. That lamb was nice and tender, so moist. Those peppers really added to the overall flavor. I want to thank you guys and gals as usual for hanging out with Mom and Papa Joe. We absolutely appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. And as always, Mom and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla!